Alright, today I'm going to show you a little bit about charcoal. First thing I'm going to show you is the charcoal pencil. To sharpen it, you pull this string a little bit, and then you unwrap a layer of this paper, and it will show more. You don't want to unwrap too much, though, and have a real long piece, because it will break off easily on you. So I'm going to turn on my light so you can see that better. I'm going to show you just kind of how you might use it. So this one, you can just make marks with it. It gets dark pretty quickly. You can color in pretty heavily. You can scumble, hatch and cross hatch. Make just about any kind of mark you want. You can smear it. Smear it with a blending stump. So that's the charcoal pencil. I have a vine piece of charcoal. Vine is just a skinny little piece of charcoal. Charcoal is messy, so you're going to get messy. So vine makes nice lines. You get thin ones and thicker ones. It's going to be a different value than your charcoal pencil. This really breaks easily, so you really have to be careful. And again, you can smear it. Figure out what you want to do with it. You can use a Kleenex too to smear if you want. Here's compressed charcoal. Compressed charcoal is a big block of charcoal. Again, you can use the tip to make marks, or you can lay it on its side. I'm going to just kind of go across, build it up if you want. Now this paper is on charcoal paper, and so it's got a texture to it that it's picking up. Depending on the charcoal paper you use as to how much texture it has. You can color that in solid, smear it out, and then you could erase in it with a kneaded eraser. Or you can try a white eraser. Depends on how much you're trying to erase to. You might just kind of lighten it some with your eraser. You want it just kind of light in there. You can also try one of these blue erasers called Away. The only problem with that is it's harder to clean off. With the kneaded eraser, you can just stretch it out a little bit. Don't pull it apart completely. Just kind of fold it back on itself to get a clean spot. Alright, so that's it for charcoal that I'm going to show you. Now you can experiment with all kinds of things.